Hey there, class. Are you ready to do some number work with me? Please say yes, please say yes. Okay, the first thing I want to do is spell a number word on the board, and once you can tell what it says and you can read it to yourself, I want you to clap that many times, okay? Easy. Make sure I'm writing big enough. Here, let me come forward. Read that number word and clap that many times. Okay, did you know that said 7? S-E-V-E-N, so you should have clapped that many times. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do, read that word and clap that many times. Did you know that it was two? T-W-O spells two, so you should have 2 claps. All right, just one more. Read that, clap that many times. Did you know that said 4? So you should have. Okay, so just a little number word review. And the next thing I want to do is, could you please help me? Oh, and I have to back up. Put these cards in order from smallest to largest. I have, what is that? 13, 8, and 4. Okay, so of 13, 8, and 4, which one is the smallest? 4. Which one would be in the middle? 8. And which one would be the greatest? 13. So you're putting them in order from smallest to largest. And actually, I'll show you the picture side because it'll be easy for you to see. Okay, sorry, you know how I feel about mice. I got scared and dropped it. Okay, 4 mice, 8 bunnies, and 13 what? What do we have 13 of? Teddy bears. Okay, so it's easy to see now that 4 is the least amount, 8 would come next, and 13 is the most. Okay? All right, now we get to do my favorite thing, story problems. And I decided that maybe you guys could be famous today in our story problems. So you're going to help me out. Some of you are going to help me out. So I thought the most fair way for me to do this is to use my name sticks. So without looking, I will draw a name stick, and you are the person that will be famous in the first story problem. Micah. Micah. Okay, Micah, you're in my first story problem, so get ready. All right, guys. Let me move all my stuff. So Micah saw this adorable little penguin eraser, and he wanted to buy it, and it cost 4 cents. So Micah was in luck because look he has 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies, which is exactly 4 cents. So Micah paid 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies for the penguin eraser. How much money does Micah have left? He doesn't have any money left. He used it all. Okay, so what would that look like? I would like to use a darker marker. Here we go. That would look like this. 4, because he had 4 pennies to start with, minus, how much did the eraser cost? 4 cents, equals, how much money did he have at the end of the story problem? Nothing, 0. He had nothing left, but he's okay with that because he ended up with an adorable eraser. Okay, let me come a little closer to make sure you guys can see that on the board. Okay, next. I'm doing another story problem, and one of you will be my famous celebrity here for the story problem. Isabella. Isabella's going to be in our next story problem. Isabella had 2 cookies. Iced animal cracker cookies. 2 cookies. Isabella had 2 cookies. Isabella ate 2 cookies. How many cookies does Isabella have now? 0. She has none. Why? What would that look like? How many did she have at the beginning of our story problem? She had 2 cookies. Minus, that means take away. How many did she eat? She ate 2. And how many cookies did she have left? 0. This is a review of what we talked about last time. This is called subtracting all of a number. When you have an amount and you subtract that same amount, you have 0, always. Doesn't matter how small or large the number is. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Any number minus itself will be 0. All right, now, you do have a math worksheet to do today. Front only. So parents, I'm going to put that on there, but if you're listening, front only because we're doing the backside on Thursday. Okay, so you're doing front only of math worksheet. I wrote it down. It's lesson 147, page 121. Let me say that again. So it's lesson 147, but it's page 121, and it's only the front side. We're saving the back side for Thursday. Okay? All right, guys. Can't wait to see your work.